I was washed up. I used to kill monsters. For 12 years I didn't see one. Memories of the past haunted me. I thought I would never kill another monster again. It seemed like my last video was so good that all the monsters in the world were killed, and I had no meaning. But I was wrong. My work wasn't done. One day it all changed.
How can you help me?
With what?
I have a monster under my bed. And
So?
I need to get rid of him. And I heard you like super card pros. I know you've been inactive for 11 years, but I need your help. Because I'm really hopeless. Please help me.
Okay. I'll help you.
Suddenly life had meaning. But I had no cheese wire, no plastic bags. I needed a new method, a new way to kill a monster. I trained for weeks, turning my body into a monster-killing machine, all for the purpose of showing you how to kill a monster under your bed.
They're slowing down.
Once again, this is how it's done.
Where's the monster?